been fake, thinking I got what it takes, putting all of my trust in